Welcome back. In this video I will show you that how to deploy your React app to GitHub Pages step by step. It is very easy and straightforward process by using npm GHPages library. Let's start. First of all, open your command line terminal and start a new React app by typing npx create React app testing and hit enter. It would take some time to install this React app. After app is created, open the testing folder and open the VS Code from that project folder. Next, we need to create a GitHub repository. For that, open github.com and create new repository. After repository is created, we need to link that repo with our React project. Copy the repo URL, open your VS Code terminal, and type git remote add origin and then paste the URL, and then press enter. With that, this GitHub repository would be linked. After that, we need to install an npm library called GHPages. Type npm install GHPages --dev and press enter. This would install this library in your dev dependencies. After it is installed, we need to set up the GHPages. For that, open your package.json file and add a property homepage. In this property, we need to add the URL of the GitHub repository in specific format. Next, we need to add a script to deploy the app. In script command, type GHPages dbuild. -d specifies the path of the folder that we want to deploy on GitHub Pages. Next, let's first test the website locally in browser to see how it looks like. You can see that website is running locally in browser. Next, let's build the app. Type and run npm run build in your terminal. After build is completed, run another command in your terminal, npm run deploy. After command is executed, it would create new GitHub branch and then it would deploy all code from build directory into that branch. Next, open settings of your GitHub repository and open Pages link. There you will see that a public URL is generated of our React app. Usually after deploying, it takes few seconds or a minute to deploy the app, so you might have to wait for some time. After waiting for some time, you will see that your website is live on the public URL. Next, let's make some changes in our React app and then we will deploy it again. Open app.js file in your VS Code and make some changes. I added hello world. Next, we need to build app again. After build is done, run deploy script again. Next, wait for some more time for it to be deployed. After some time, you will notice that our changes are live now. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel, and also click on the bell icon to get notified for upcoming videos.